quick reading for March the 7th to March the 8th, Aquarius. Your cards are the Five of Swords, the Hanged One, and the Six of Pentacles. So, medyo kalmado na, no, itong energy ninyo ni person. Probably nagkaroon kayo ng big fight, taasan ng boses, hindi nagpansinan, pride actually, no? Yung medyo nangibabaw. With the Five of Swords, the Hanged One, and the Six of Pentacles, dumating siguro tayo sa pagkakataon na, sige, I'm going to mirror your energy, ayaw mo akong kausap, and hindi rin kita kakausapin, no? Pero I feel like nagpatigasan kayo ng ulo dito ni person, no? Matira matibay, sino ang bibigay. It felt like with the Six of Pentacles, ginaya mo na rin. Yung katulad sabi ko, minirror mo na rin yung energy niya. With the Six of Pentacles, it felt like magkakaroon dito ng banters na ng energy na, uy, sandali, hindi ito dapat nangyayari, no? Kasi lalong tumatagal, lalong gumugulo. So I think that si person magkakaroon dito na mag-i-initiate, no? To reach out. And yun lang naman inaantay mo, no? Na mapansin niya or makita niya kung ano yung pagkakamali niya. So, harmony, no, ang nakikita natin. So, this is your quick reading, Aquarius, for March the 7th to March the 8th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.